All right, can you say, I'm not a gangster?
Kai. Come.
This is unacceptable.
Can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Bro is fluent.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
And say, I need you to put the cat down. Please. Ask him nicely.
Whisper. Good job, Whisper.
Quick choice.
Penny, you sure you want to eat right now? I was thinking about going for a walk.
Hey! I would die for you. Aww.